In this video, we'll be looking at how to find the middle of a linked list. So as usual, we have our structure of a node, our pointers, our inserting function, and our display function. So now let's look at how to find the middle of a linked list. So we'll start by drawing a linked list. So let's draw a linked list of 5 nodes, the addresses, and the pointers. And then we have our first pointer and our last pointer. By looking at this linked list, we can tell that our middle is the second index or the third element. But how do we find this middle? As we know, in linked list, everything is done using pointers. So in this case, I will need pointers as well, but I need to utilize those pointers in a way that they stop exactly when I get to the middle and they print out the middle. For now, we'll just look at odd number of elements in a list because odd numbers have a perfect middle. So let's take 2 pointers. Let's take a slow pointer and a fast pointer. Both of them are pointing towards the first element. What we're going to do is we're going to move the slow and fast pointers till we get to the middle, till one of them gets to the middle. Now, why are they called slow and fast pointers? This is because the slow pointer moves 1 step, while the fast pointer moves 2 steps. Let's see how this is done. So this is my slow pointer, and this is my fast pointer. I will take this slow pointer and I will move this 1 step forward. So now the slow pointer is at the second index. Then I will take this fast pointer and I will move this 2 steps forward. So now the fast pointer is at the middle, but I have no condition here to check if it's pointing at the middle or no. So let's move this more. I'll move my slow pointer here and I'll move my fast pointer here. Now my fast pointer has reached the end of the linked list and my slow pointer is pointing at the middle. So if you look at this closely, can I not add the condition if fast pointer next, what's the next of fast pointer here? Null is equals to null. Then my slow pointer will actually be the middle. So the slow pointer will then be pointing towards the middle. Let's try this with 7 elements to see if it's true for that case as well. Slow pointer and fast pointer. Let's move the slow pointer 1 step, then the fast pointer 2 steps, then the slow pointer 1 step, fast pointer 2 steps, slow pointer 1 step, fast pointer 2 steps. Fast pointer has reached the last node and my slow pointer is exactly at the middle. So you can see that this condition is true for all linked lists that have an odd number of elements. So let's write this code. Keep in mind this is specifically for odd elements, for odd number of elements in a linked list. So let's name the function find middle. Let's take 2 pointers. Then let's add the loop while fast is not equal to null. Not fast, my bad. Fast dot next. is not equal to null, we will keep on moving the pointers forward. Slow is equals to slow.next, while fast is equals to fast.next.next, because it's moving 2 steps ahead. So let's try running this. In the end, we'll see out slow.data. Let's see out middle is slow.data. Let's do find middle. Let's run this. Why did it not print it? Oh, my bad. I assigned both of them as null. They're supposed to be first. That's why I didn't even move. Okay. So here we get our middle, which is 3. Let's add 2 more elements to see if it works fine for more elements as well. So now it should give us 4. So now our middle is 4. So this was for finding the middle in an odd number of elements of linked list. Now let's see what to do if we have an even number of elements. So if I have 4 elements, usually we consider the first middle as the middle. So we're gonna take this as our middle. So we will still be using slow pointers and fast pointers. So now you need to just check what the condition will be. So we'll move the slow pointer 1 step forward, fast pointer 2 step forward. As you can see, the slow pointer is at the middle and the fast pointer is not at the last value, at the last element, but it's at the second last element. So let me add these here. So now here the condition is going to be if fast dot next is equal to null. How is this working? Fast dot next is 3 and the next of 3 is null. So if fast is at its second last element, then it will know that this is an even numbered linked list and we will get the first middle. Out of the 2 middles, we'll get the first middle as our middle. So what we have to do is just add another condition over here. And let's try it with 4 elements. Let's run this code. And here you can see we've gotten our middle as 2. Let's add the other elements and add another element, 8. So now our 2 middles are 4 and 5, and we should get 4 as our middle. So as you can see here, we got 4 as our middle. So the concept of finding middle is pretty simple. You just need to know how to play with the pointers and how to get the output that is required.